line right here. I spoke in certainties and fire. Every step climbed higher and higher. No shadow long enough to stay. No quiet voice to lead astray. I thought the sky belonged to me, a simple truth I couldn't see. Then and now, the distance shows how the river bends and flows. Then and now, the lines have grown. What we build is what we're shown. Back then the answers came too fast. Every moment meant to last. I carved my name in steady stone, believing I could stand alone. But time moves slow and time moves deep. It gathers truths we try to keep. The things we lose, the things we find, redraw the borders of the mind. Then and now, the road is wide. Different stars still guide the stride. Then and now, I finally see the change was always part of me. The past still breathes inside my chest, not as a ghost, but as a guess. Every dream that once was loud now speaks softer yet more proud. The stories stay, shaped by night and brighter days. Then and now, the truth somehow is who I was and who I am now. Then and the same horizon, different view. Different view.
sing, their echoes rise on newborn wings.
hearts of flame, through hearts of clay, we carve the dream that will not fade away. The ghosts of toil beneath the stone still whisper names the earth has known. A spark, a vow, in silence sworn to shape the night, to call them on. Come raise the flame, breathe the dawn, let the steel remember every song. Through fire and rain, through sweat and bone, we build the world we stand upon. No quiet sings, no banners fly, yet thunder waits beneath the sky. The rhythm stirs, the ground will wake, the future hums in every quake. The old world sleeps, but not for long. Its pulse returns, its spirit strong. The light will bloom from dust and scar to tell the tale of who we are. Come raise the flame, breathe the dawn, let the steel remember every song. Through fire and rain, through sweat and bone, we build the world we stand upon. From ashes rise, from tears be born. No crown, no throne, yet hearts adorn. The forge will sing, the winds proclaim. No past can bind the newborn's love. t-shirt, no looking back. I built my shape from discipline. No wasted moves, no fragile skin. I knew the rules, I played them right. Turned every flaw into sharpened light. They called it strength, they called it control, but silence started carving my soul. I was too perfect to ever fall, too precise to feel at all. I was too perfect, clean and tight, but perfection casts no shadow, no light. I watched the world in flawless lines, pattern systems, grand designs, history spoken stone and time. Nature moved in rhythm and rhyme. I trusted order, I trusted form, believed harmony keeps you warm. But beauty doesn't ask to be owned, it breaks you open, leaves you exposed. I was too perfect to ever bend, too complete to need a friend. I was too perfect, sealed and closed, but nothing grows when nothing's broken open. Then something shifted, quiet and slow, not a collapse, a letting go. I felt the weight, I felt the grace. Imperfection gave me space. Not weaker now, just more alive. I don't survive, I choose to strive. I'm not too perfect, I finally see. Strength breathes best in